Greetings, Earthlings! My name is Hannah and I work with Microsoft to empower every individual and organisation on the planet to achieve more. And I'm here on your telly box right now because I'm going to unbox the new Surface Laptop Go 2. Ha! It's an unboxing video! But before I do, please take a moment to subscribe to the Expert Zone UK and I YouTube channel for some similar delicious content that you can enjoy. Oop! And press that notification bell, go on. I dare you. Now, enough with the pleasantries. Rumpus time is over. Let's get into unboxing the newest member of the Surface family and the second version of the Surface Laptop Go. It's the Surface Laptop Go 2. This is the i5 8GB 256GB spec version of the device that I'm unboxing right here. And just to let you know, you can get the Surface Laptop Go 2 with 4GB or 8GB of RAM and either 128GB or 256GB of SSD options, but always quad-core Intel i5 processor working away in the background. Yes, yes. Okay, here I go unboxing again. Woohoo! Oh, it's nice. Let me put the device here to come back to while we look at what's inside the box. Up first, we have our scripture, warranty information, how-tos and all that jazz in here, and our lovely Surface charger. This is a good time to mention that the battery life is up to 13.5 hours. Okay, gimme, here it is, the Surface Laptop Go 2. First thing to note is the colour. This is the sandstone version of the device. It's got a cool metal finish and it looks really, really nice. There is a brand new colorway when it comes to this device, and depending on global availability, you can get the Surface Laptop Go 2 in sage, platinum, ice blue, and in sandstone. The choice is yours. Second thing I'm noticing is how lightweight it is. For a product that is pioneered by its portability, it sure is light. It weighs around 1.12 kilograms and has a 12.4-inch PixelSense touch display. It's light and it's portable with a sleek finish. This aluminium chassis is super nice and it really complements the full-size keyboard and large trackpad. And look, a little fingerprint sensor for security. Under the keyboard is where our omnisonic speakers live. Neat. And if you turn it upside down, and you can see the base, that is made from a polycarbonate composite resin system with glass fiber and 30% post-consumer recycled content materials. We like recycled things and sustainability. Also on the base, we have the Surface Connect port to charge a ROO, and we have a USB-A, USB-C and headphone jack connectivity. We've got a super fun touchscreen here and sleek rounded edges up here, and a HD camera and dual far field microphones. Let me shut the lid and show you just how nice it is. You can't see any screws, any speakers, because they're underneath the keyboard, remember? And just by holding this device and turning it round, you can really see how portable it could be and just how sleek the premium design is. So there we have it, sleek and light with performance that you can count on. With more power and improved battery life, I could really see the Surface Laptop Go 2 just fitting into my life by fitting into my bag. So I can take it with me wherever I need it, wherever I go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.